ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy when we will be being within this correction, and this is what we get. Now we want to see what's the next and how high this one can go. First of all, we start with the monthly chart. Okay, based on monthly chart, as we can see that this is the top, and now the price broke the previous top, which was 1.4. Okay, and how about the weekly chart? We can see it, but we have nothing to talk about. And now we want to see whether we can expect the correction, bigger correction based on lower time frame or not. But if we refer to daily chart, we see this is the correction we have been within. Okay, and now the thing is we want the continuation similar to what we had here. We get this move, and now we want to see this one move. I mean, we expect the price move a bit higher before it move for the correction. But anyway, from now, any trade we take, we should be quite careful, because as we can see based on monthly chart, price almost is the highest and broke the previous top. Okay, and if we move to forward chart, all right, this is what we have been looking for since the price was within this move and correction. I mentioned we are putting this one to each other. This is our first analysis, and this is what we have been looking for. Okay, but based on forward chart, based on MACD, we have nothing to talk. The only thing is we have a dive. If we put this one to relative to this, we have a divergence. We don't need to care about that. Okay, this is what we can see. And based on this one, we have a different. Okay, the thing is we don't need right now. We don't need to really care about that whether we have a divergence or not. The only thing is for continuation, we need to get the correction based on lower time frame, even forward chart. Okay, if we move to 1 hour chart, all right. Right now we cannot buy. The only thing is whether the price move a bit higher, we get a small flag or correction, we buy, or if the price drop one more, we can buy. Right now we cannot buy it here. Okay, that's mean from now any small flag or correction we take the buy. But as we know the price is at the top, then any buy will be short term. That's mean as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. Okay, the reason is we don't want to price reverse, and then at least we know how to protect our trade. But right now we don't have anything. The only thing is whether this one can give us another buy setup or the price more higher. We wait for the next flag or all right. And how about the 15-minute? Okay, as we can see, based on 15 minutes from now, if we want to trade, we can look for any of this small correction. By the way, we don't have any trade setup. We just, from now, we can trade any small correction or flag, and any trade will be a short-term trade since the price is at the top. Hopefully this one can continue. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. And one more things. All right, based on fall. All right, we have nothing to talk about. The only thing is we just follow the chart. And if I see any update, I will share. And for those traders that are in the trade, they should protect their trade, okay? In case the price move for the bigger correction. But what right now we're expecting the price to continue. I mean, before give us a correction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. And again, if I see any changes, I will share. Thanks.